There you go, getting some hair rigs ready for tomorrow. You can see there's one odd one out right there. See, that's some real corn with something inside. And that's the something inside, but fell off the corn, so. But the rest are all fake corn. We got more fake corn there. Baggie of fake corn. So then we got this stuff. This stuff is new. I just got this. I'm gonna try it out. It had really good ratings. It's supposed to be really nice. Here's what it is. Floating corn bait. Handmade, 12 pack, made in Europe. How many did you catch? Leave us a review. So, yeah, wait, that's wrong. There we go. Supposed to be kind of, so it's kind of like this. Usually corn is kind of like that and the bait sits here, but that the floating corn supposed to do is supposed to make it sit like that in the water. So I don't know, getting some rigs set up for tomorrow, and here are my favorite rigs to use. Here rigs. Here, these are the size 2. I also have size 6, hook a little bit smaller. I think I had a size 8. Where are you? More size 2. I had a size 8 too, which were even smaller, which I also used a lot. So, get everything ready for tomorrow.
Okay, man, I don't know what it was, but something just jumped like right there as soon as I hit start. But it's not as nice of a morning today. Hopefully it gets nicer, but it's not bad. The rod pod is set up. So, you remember, this one had one here, one in the back. The one that was in the back is now in the middle, and that one has always been there. We got the 3 new ones. We got that one. We got the V. And we got that one. So, the rod pod and the rods are now set up how they're supposed to be. So, bait is in. Everything's going well. On this white rod, we have one of the ones with the ninja corn, whatever it was. It pretty much looked like real corn with like a puffy thing in the middle. So it floats. So that one has that. So that one should be like popped up, should be floating, should not be on the ground. That one, on the other hand, is fake plastic corn and it should be on the ground. Something like that. So both rods are in the water. Pretty much same bait. Same pack bait, at least, on the method lead. And I'll show you guys how I use the method lead. I'll show you guys how to pack it and everything in a little bit. But for now, both rods are in. The water, for the most part, is pretty warm. And we got an alright sunrise. So, once again, time to just wait. That one just got hit. It pulled line. Went dink. It like pulled some line. And then the line dropped. Let's see. If the line stays down, it's running towards us. Let me give it a second. The reason I'm down there is because that one just got hit too. That's why I came down here originally. Took some line instead. So currently they're both getting hit. Oh, that one's getting hit too. Oh, that one just got dropped. That one just picked up and dropped. So we're on our second cast now. We got here, threw them out, bait them up. About 20. What was it? 7 o'clock is when I redid them. 7:26. So that one has gotten hit once, which was right now. This one has gotten hit 3 times. Or it's been getting hit right now, but it's had 3 good hits. This one from the first cast, as soon as we cast it out, about 10 minutes into it, got hit. Second time, like 5 minutes into it, didn't get hit much. It just kind of just like boom, that was it. And then it's getting hit again right now. So I'm gonna leave them. See if we can get anything right now. Show you guys what time it is. If it is 7:26. So nothing gets hit. I'll rebait them, throw them back out there. But we are getting hits, which is good. We're getting hits a lot faster than we were last time. So see if one of these gets hooked up. Show you guys how to set up the meth lead. It is, I believe it's 40 already, 41, something like that. So it's time to rebait. See, this is the meth lead. Pretty much it right there. You have where your line goes through the middle of the meth lead, like that. Goes like that. You have this little clip back here, not clip, a little sleeve. Goes right into there, like that. And you have your hair rig right here that goes into the front part of the meth lead. So you just pull it, push it in there. There you go. That's a little swivel right there. Get that right there. Get it all put together. And then you have your little mold. Throw your hook bit in there. You can either, so I'm going to show you two ways. This is one way. You grab your mold, throw your hook bit in there, grab your favorite all-time bait, push it in there, like that. So like that, hook bit's on the bottom. Got your meth lead, ribs down. Press it in there, like that. It has a little down the bottom. Push it out, and there you go. It's one way to do it. It's one way to set it up. Bait ends like that. Lead on the bottom, so when it hits the water, always gonna land just like that. So let's get that in the water and get the other one set up. Way number 2 of doing it, this is the second rod. Just threw the other one in, got it all set up. Time to bait the second one. Second way of doing it, which I tend to use a lot more, because as you guys saw, that took about 2 minutes. So let's say when I'm not recording or when I'm just doing it, maybe takes a minute. This is a lot quicker, and I would probably lose these. So this is my way of doing it. You just meth lead, just kind of eyeball it, got a little handful, mold it, push it on, mold it with your hand, grab your hook bait, push it in with the bait on the rig facing towards the top, grab a little bit more, cover the hook, and that's how that one ends up. Use a little bit more bait, fits more than a little cup, so it kind of depends. I tend to use this more because it's all quicker. So like we're at 1 minute 13 seconds. So overall, I think this is quicker. Except you do get your hands get a little bit more dirty. So, but lakes right there, just wash them off, and I tend to use this a lot more. But second way to bait your meth lead.
get this off. We are hooked on with the first one of the day. I don't think it's very big. Tell you what though, it took off really nicely. This one didn't fight much. It just took its initial run and it's coming in pretty easily. It's interesting. Hasn't made a second run. I mean, it might take it once it gets closer, but just made that initial run. And for the most part, it just came right in. There you go. It just went that way. Just did its flip. Now it's coming this way. Oh, it's not. I mean, I kind of could tell it wasn't very big, but it's a lot smaller than what I thought. Still a really nice carp. See if I can get you over that line. Perfect. Oh, now you're under it. Let's get you back out. Oh. Hey, look at... Oscar just showed up. What are the odds? Hey! Look at that. First... Oscar! What's going on, bud? What's that? Yeah, dude, I'm so hungry. Look at that. That hooks it right in the corner of the mouth. Get that unhooked and look at that. On fake corn. Second one's still getting hit, so oh, sure. Grab the carp. Whoa. Here we go. Like I said, not very big. Little dude. Freaking Oscar. But look at that. Nice little carp. Hooks it right here, right where it's supposed to be. So, let's let him go. See you, buddy. Hey, look, the water's super clear. Looks hella nice when they swim away. Look at this one. This one's getting hits. So, see if we can. There we go.
What'd you say?
A vehicle in the roadway. Did he get you stuck?
Yeah, it's coming along.
It's coming though?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, it's out. No. There's something he wraps you up in there. Oh, he went under this one.
It's free. No, it's coming in.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he went
under this one. What up? What up?
Go up under?
Yeah, it has to go under. Okay, here you go. Is it? It just realized.
Oh, it's okay.
Is it?
Yeah. Not too small, dude.
Oh, it just took off.
Oh man!
They just realized. Oh, wait a second.
I saw it already.
Did you?
Yeah.
I have it. Oh, Oscar!
Told you, dude.
Dude!
Hopefully it doesn't go away. Mira. Look at that. Look at that.
Look at that beast! Okay, we're gonna have to land it over here, Oscar. Try to take it.
He's not fighting in.
It didn't fight very much, huh?
Are you going inside?
Yeah, if you wanna.
Wait. It's not.
Okay. Try to take it over that line and try to take it over there. Because that's gonna be the easiest way to land it. Yeah, pull it up.
It's gone.
Did it go under?
Baby. Oh,
Is that another one? Or is it tangled up? It's tangled up, huh? Tighten your drag a little bit. Dang.
Come here, baby. No.
Look at.
For me. Coming in. Oh, it's not going away.
It's tangled. It's tangled in the other line.
It's coming out.
That's a big carp, though. Oh no, it's not. Yeah, it's tangled. Okay, right here. Right here. That's where we're gonna land it. Right there.
Let it come back himself.
Yeah, tear it out. This thing still has a couple. Still has another wing.
Oh yeah, it's tangled.
Yeah, huh?
Wait, one second. Okay. Let it. Come back himself.
It looks like it's a good hood accept, but let's not try to risk it.
So let me try to get it to the line rock.
Yeah, if you can turn its head right into there.
Get into water.
Okay. Hey, grab my phone. Grab my phone. Let's see. Ready? Oh, it's super tangled up. Super tangled up. Oh my God, that's heavy.
What, 10 pounds?
Oh yeah. That is a heavy carp. So, I don't have a scale. I don't know the weight on this thing, but look at the size. Like, look at the size of that mouth. That is a big mouth. But I was telling Oscar, it was super weird. I didn't think it was gonna be big at all. I thought it was gonna be smaller than the last one. The way it hit and the way it took off, it was just like it didn't pull. It was just a deep, 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 and just kind of sat there. He's like, "Can I grab it?" I was like, "Yeah, go for it," because I haven't thrown out his rod yet. We got one more to set up, but boy, it just pretty much came in. Once it got like a second wind, is what it took. But that's one beautiful carp. Oh.
Get it. You want me to record?
I'm recording my GoPro. Is it off? It's off.
No, it should be on. Wait. Leave it on. Wait. Pull it.
It popped off.
You sure?
Unless it's super small and it's swimming towards me.
No, I think so.
Otherwise it popped off.
Yeah.
Bye.
We know it is there. Wait, you
gonna pop it off?
Yeah.
Oh, dude.
It's taken, dude. Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Yeah, take it on that side.
Yeah.
You got a fishing net?
I don't have a net. Yeah, we're on. It's big. Or at least it feels heavy.
You feel it.
Oh, that's a nice run. It's out there too. You got my glasses?
Yeah. You want that?
Yeah, can I see 'em?
You're so cool.
Yeah, I want to be cool too.
You got one? Do you got a net? Yeah, we can take it right away.
Yeah, if you could let us use that, be nice, because this one feels big.
The guy's looking over.
Yeah, they got in the kayak. Oh, I thought that was another one. This thing's taking off. This one's big.
Probably, hopefully fit there. It's a big one. Well, it feels like a big one.
That one should be fine, Oscar. I'm gonna chase it down.
Alright.
Because this thing's gonna tangle me up. Oh, it's trying to tangle me up in this freaking log. I haven't even seen it. Okay, I'm going back that way, Oscar.
Wait, don't go all the way up there, though.
Yeah, I don't want it.
Don't fight it, though. Let it just come.
I haven't even, I just saw a shadow.
I haven't seen it.
I just saw a shadow. Right, look right here. Look right at my line.
Oh, yeah. Look. Ooh, look at that.
It's another good one.
Beauty. It's not too heavy. Yeah.
Actually, it's not as big. Smaller, huh? Oh my God. It's smaller. This one's what? Maybe 8 pounds?
Probably. Come on, I want to get into the water.
What up, what up? Here it comes. What?
No, yeah.
Bigger or same size?
Probably same size. What's up, man?
Yeah. Holy smokes. Let me get the...
So, that's another carp. This one's a bit smaller than one Oscar caught, but still a good size. This one has more of a belly on him. This one did a little bit more fighting. Still super big mouth, big head, but what we noticed, this one's missing its anal fin. Doesn't have a fin. It should have a fin somewhere right here. Doesn't have one. So that's kind of funny, but either way, such a nice carp. Super fun to catch.
Good.
Thank you. So, I'm gonna let this guy go. Oh, bye. He was definitely ready to go. Where'd he go? Oh, sweet. That's 3 and a. Hopefully we can get at least one more. Took off nice. Come here, baby. This is gonna be another big one, huh? Ooh. Pull up instead of sideways.
It's coming out long now.
It's coming out. That first run was...
No?
What? No. But that first run was really nice.
It's already out.
Watch out. Don't fall.
Can you see it?
No, I haven't seen it.
I got
The sun in my... Yeah. Oh.
Well, I can feel it.
That's nice.
Watch out, dude.
Yeah, if you want to net it. Okay, watch out.
Look at that. Oh, damn.
Holy smokes.
Dude.
Okay, wait. Don't be rough. Don't be rough. Soft. Right, let me see that. Yeah. No.
It's not. It doesn't not even fit.
Hold it. Someone hold it. Wait. Someone hold it. Hey.
Get it from the mouth.
Just want to try to get more. I'm in the way. Wait. Okay. Gentle.
I'm not even pulling.
I can't.
Wait, let me.
Okay, stop. Woo!
Oh, dude.
If this guy flop, he's gonna hit me and I'm gonna... Alright. So, I didn't pull it out,
I did.
but I am tired of holding it. This thing is so ridiculously heavy. This thing is easily over 10 pounds. I don't know how much, but it is easily over 10 pounds.
I'm gonna have a scale.
Do you have a scale? That would be so cool if you had a scale. Look, we haven't even unhooked it. Look at the size of that freaking mouth.
Right between 15 and 20.
So what's that?
He's 17
Like
pounds.
17 pounds.
17 pounds and 8 ounces.
Ooh.
That is bigger than anyone I've ever caught. The biggest one I've caught was 1677. Oscar just beat my record by a pound and something. That is 17.
1 pound, 1 ounce.
He beat my record by 1 pound and 1 ounce. That is your new PB, Oscar.
I did it.
Let's get some. So, Oscar's PB.
We're taking a video?
Yeah, wait, let me get some pictures.
Okay. I take those pictures.
Okay, ready? 1, 2,
Queso!
3. But look at that beast. 17 point, what was it? 17
something.
17 and 8 ounces. Beat my record by 1 pound and 1 ounce.
With a big bag. Alright, got it up there.
Dang.